This video is sponsored by Lexar. Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know you guys have been asking me to use setups that are more affordable, so today we're doing just that. I will be shooting with Canon RP and the RF 50mm f1.8, and also I'll be using the RF 85mm f2 macro. These are both great lenses for beginner portrait photographers, and you can find the setup for a really good price, especially if you're looking on a resale market, if you want to score an even better deal. I just wanted to show you that it's absolutely possible to create beautiful and professional looking images even with lower end gear. I shot this in June when lilacs were in full bloom, and they became my main inspiration for the photo shoot. I knew that I wanted to make a flower crown with them because it always makes the portraits look really cool. And for the crown, I simply took a few lilac branches and I secured them with a string and formed a circle. It was really that easy and anyone can do it. But to add even more drama, we used some long fake hair and I braided it to make it look a little bit more realistic. It was also really quick to put on. For the outfit, I went with a long gown in a similar color to the lilacs since I really wanted those soft purple tones to stand out. And I was hoping for a sunny weather, but the day turned out cloudy and a bit stormy. But in the end, I actually think it worked out really beautifully, and I really loved how the final images looked. Also, really quickly, just wanted to remind you that me and Anita Sadowska are going to be hosting an amazing 5-day portraiture workshop in Bali, Indonesia. I will leave the link for the workshop details in the description, so if it's something you're interested in, check it out. The dates are November 8 to 13. There's still few spots left, so if this is something that you've always dreamed of attending, definitely hop on that now. So this is our first spot. We found some of these lilacs. There's not that many of them, but they're really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna get my ladder here just because I'm trying not to get any of the sky in my shots. So I'm gonna go on like a little bit of a higher. I know, everyone's always scared of me falling. I've never fallen, but I've gotten close to it. Yeah, that's beautiful. Let's get, yes, that's gorgeous. Love that. I wonder if there's like a spot where we can almost get you like more into them. Like here, maybe if you try standing like right over here, and you can like even play with this one, you can like smell it and stuff. The tree in the background that I don't like, let me see. Just gonna kind of walk around, just see what spot I like best. Oh, that's beautiful actually from here. Yes, oh, that's gorgeous. Love. Okay, actually this spot is really pretty. I always do a little circle the model around to see which location looks best. Sometimes you might not realize that the other spot is even better. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. Oh, that's so pretty. Wow. Yes. Gorgeous. Okay, stay there. I'm gonna try my 85. Gorgeous. Stay there. I need to, now that I'm on the 85, I need to take just a few steps back. Yes. Whoa. Now before we continue, I wanted to thank Lexar for sponsoring today's video and show you something that's been super useful to me. This is Lexar Professional Workflow Go. This little device lets you transfer files from your memory card straight to an SSD, no computer or laptop needed. I'm literally using it here in the car right after the photo shoot. And all I did was pop in the card reader with the memory card and an SSD, connect it to my phone, and then start the transfer through the Lexar app. And yes, the transfer is super fast, even with large files. It even saved me on my last trip when I forgot my laptop charger, so I couldn't use it at all. but I still managed to back everything up thanks to this. And what I really appreciate is how Lexar designed everything to work together. The SSD and the card readers I use with the Workflow Go also work with my Lexar Professional docking station at home, or you can totally use the SSD and the card readers on their own as well. Even the battery on the Workflow Go is removable. It's essentially a power bank and can charge your phone, or for example, my Insta360 little camera that I use for behind the scenes. Such a cool bonus. So I'll have the link in the description if you want to check out the Lexar Professional Workflow Go, and let's get back into the video.
Yes. Whoa. That's so pretty. What if you hold the dress here, maybe somehow? Yeah, it's kind of like from knee up now. Yes, yes. It's beautiful. I'm gonna get you to sit like right over here. You can kind of like put your legs maybe kind of this way and like, yeah. Here, I'll just take them and I'll give them back to you. Yeah, ooh, that's really nice, yeah. Yes. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Whoa, these are gorgeous, yes. Oh, love that.
You might have noticed that I edited out my model's tattoos. There's absolutely nothing wrong with tattoos, but I felt like they didn't quite match this very fairy tale theme. And normally this kind of edit would take me hours to do, but I just want to show you how quickly I was able to remove them with using a photo AI. You guys know I absolutely love this program. I use it for almost every single photo shoot, and they recently added the new slider that removes tattoos with just one click. And look how good it is. It is honestly amazing. Of course, you can do so much more with the photo, and I mainly use it for skin retouching to get results like this.
I'm so sorry, I might have to move you again. Just like more, I want you more like in there so that there is lilac on both sides of you, because in that spot there was lilac only on one side, and I would like it on like both sides of you everywhere. Trying to, yes, oh beautiful. Yeah, I want to do one like kind of far away. Oh yeah. Okay, I need to be on my ladder. Do you wonder if the sun's gonna come out or not? Please, we gotta do the sun dance. Sun come out, sun dance. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, I love that. That's gorgeous. Love, oh my God, I love these so much. Okay, stay there. Oh, yeah, like that. Okay, I want to do some like close-ups here now. Oh, that's actually look down like you were doing. And eyes, just eyes at me, yeah. Yes. Yes. Oh, that's beautiful. You know what? Sit like this. What if you put your legs more kind of like, yes, and like really, yeah, get even more into them. if it's possible. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, that's gorgeous. And then like, yes, get like, yes, exactly. Okay, I need the 50 for these. And there. Beautiful. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, that's beautiful. You holding the braid like that? Yes, yes. That's gorgeous. Ooh, love. Beauty. Love these. Oh yeah, look at me like this again. Yes. Whoa. Oh, love that. Do it even more like that with the shoulder towards me. Even more, kind of like forward. Yes, yes, exactly. Gorgeous. And now here, I want to see the knees. Both knees, yes. Yes, and then again, like grab them like really close and like you're kind of like moving like this with like your shoulder. Yes. Yes. And then kind of like almost like with a little bit of your back towards me.
But is it? Oh, you can.
Kind of like this, just like the way you are. Okay. Yes. That is so stunning. Holy schmoly. Okay. Just need to brighten this up just a little bit. Wow. There's some beautiful bokeh here in the background. Ooh. Okay, say that I want this on the 85. Okay, I'm gonna be just a little bit further. Okay, camera, load up. Yes. Beauty. Oh wow, so pretty. Okay, a few more in this spot and then we're gonna move to a different spot, I think. Oh, this right here is really nice. The wind is kind of cool. Oh wow, the wind. Yes.
As we were leaving our location and walking to the parking lot, the sun came out for just like another 10 minutes. So we ran to this white flower tree and took a few more pictures.
Oh, that's beautiful. I'm kind of surprised that the RP is still being able to focus really nicely. Oh, that's beautiful. Hold on to your braid. Yes.
It's not the size that matters.
That's right. That's how you use it. Oh, this is beautiful. We're gonna try now with the ladder. Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh yes. I just love a ladder. Like, it's so pretty because now it's just all green background. Oh yes. Okay, I'm gonna do the 85 as well. Oh, so beautiful. Okay. Whoa. Okay, you know what? Can I get you? Maybe? No, because over here is where it's. No, go get back into. Can you get even closer to them? Kind of like over here, and like maybe stand. Well, let's see which way. Yeah, that spot is the best actually. Or we can try this. No, it's not as nice on this side. Ooh, yeah, just like that. Uh-huh. Oh yeah. That's gorgeous.
So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!